I begin as just one cell, unnoticed, ordinary, yet different.
A tiny change in my DNA sets the stage for my journey. I no longer obey the rules. I multiply faster than my neighbors. A mass forms, my growing home inside this body. I summon new vessels to feed my expansion. I push and invade. The surrounding tissue feels my presence. I drift through the lymphatic channels, unnoticed by defenses. Through the bloodlands, I journey to new lands. Like from working in Riximals, I arrive, settle, and begin my invasion anew. Defenders rise, but I am cunning. I hide and persist. This is growth. I pull the body's resources for my own growth, relentless. I take what I need, leaving others starved and weak. Evil and counting. I disrupt the body's balance, sending signals awry. I press, I crowd, I make my presence felt in organs far and wide. The body fights. Inflammation rages, but I adapt. Critique and life. I evolve with each division, smarter, stronger. I send seeds to new places, expanding my reach. The body feels my weight. Circulation falters. Energy drains, organs strain, the body tires. I make my presence known, sometimes painfully. I learn to hide from defenders, invisible, patient, relentless. I grow faster, push boundaries, take over space. I disrupt the harmony. The body struggles to survive my presence. I am a part of this body, but uncontrolled, I become a threat. Awareness and action can stop me.